Hi Math 1. This video is to help you understand exponents. Okay, so the exponent always has a base to the power of. And what that power or what that exponent means, okay, is the number of times we multiply 7 by itself. So we have to look and see what's getting the power, and then we write that thing that many times. So for this first example here, I have a 3, but he doesn't have the exponent getting multiplied by 4 to the power of 2. So that's 3, and then there's a 4 times another 4. 4 gets written 2 times. Okay, this is called expanded form. You multiply it all out, but we don't actually calculate. Okay, if you have parentheses like this one, this is very important because everything is in parentheses. The power or the exponent belongs to both of them. I have to write this quantity 4 times. There's a negative 3 times a negative 3 times a negative 3, times another negative 3. You have to write it out 4 times. The negative and the 3 both got the power. Okay, now that's a different problem than this next one here. The negative is out in front and does not get the exponent. So I'm going to write one negative sign out in front. And since the exponent belongs to 3, I need to write 3 4 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. There is a difference here, okay? And parentheses matter. Okay, you could also do a problem like this when there's variables. Okay, so I have to ask you, who does the exponent belong to? The 5 or the x or both of them? There's no parentheses. Okay, so the power only belongs to the x. So I'm going to write 5 times x times x times x 3 times. There's different ways of writing multiply. Okay, we could say 5 times 7 in parentheses. We could also say 5 times 7, but sometimes that looks like a decimal. Make sure you keep it up high enough. Okay, we can also write 5 times 7, but we're not going to do that too much because that starts to look like an x, and we're going to start using variables in algebra.